You'll have love at first sight with the 2015 Honda Odyssey. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 250,000 miles on the odometer. You'll feel safe and relaxed on every excursion in this comfortable and stylish Odyssey. Its thoughtful design, advanced smart technology, interior spaciousness and luxury, strong acceleration, and nimble handling make it the ideal family vehicle. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, moonroof, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, fog lamps, satellite radio, power liftgate, backup camera, electronic stability control. Your family deserves the best in safety and comfort. Take the Honda Odyssey out for a test drive today.